Hello everyone, welcome to a new video for Solana price prediction based on Elliott wave analysis, of course. And starting here on the 4-hour chart, we are looking, of course, at our impulse from, of course, the start of the cycle where we have, of course, a big wave 3 towards the upside. And we are currently in a wave 5 here, of course, for higher prices for Solana. However, your wave 5 should be, of course, unfolded in 5 waves, I would say. Of course, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 as an impulse. And as we can see, a 1, 2, 3 has been already finished. Now, also a wave 4 might have been finished and might have not been finished yet. And of course, by all means, that this definitely we are looking at a finished structure here, which can be, of course, a perfect wave 4. And we might start to see, of course, for or looking for higher prices starting from that price action here. However, yeah, Solana still showing somehow some weakness here, but potentially we have kind of like an impulse here as one, probably as a wave two. But yeah, this doesn't looks really nice unless, of course, we see higher prices so far. And then we can call it 1, 2, and then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, of course, continuation then towards the upside. Now, what I don't like in Solana is that the channels taken, of course, from this impulse have been broken both as acceleration channel and as a base channel, which is not nice to see, actually, for an impulse towards the upside. Now, preferably that this whole wave 5 keep ranging only inside the acceleration channel once you have break it to the inside. Breaking it back to the outside, even breaking the base channel back in the wave 5. This is a very bad signal, to be honest. And might means, of course, that Solana might be weaker than expected, and it might, of course, continue to move towards the downside. Now, our, of course, last chance for the bullish here is, of course, that you have a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 finished here. So if we move to the 1-hour chart to check this a little bit closer, you can see that, of course, this is an impulse. Yeah, that's a good sign. Where we have, of course, here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You finished your wave 1, and possibly you have in WXY 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, of course, and then, of course, here 3 waves down for a wave 2. Now, if we take this wave 2 fib level, we can see that we have reached again the 0.886, which is also not nice to have. Because reaching the 886, well, okay, let me check. It's not, all right. Okay, it has not been touched, actually. Let's check exactly with the, yeah, it has not been touched. Sorry, that's awesome. So yeah, we are very good in shape to move towards the upside for Solana. We have a big 1, 2, and then a 1, 2, and then 3, 4, 5, of course, for a wave 3. You would like to see, of course, some targets here, which are taken starting from here. Let's say this is your 1, 2, your small 1, 2 first. So you would like to see a wave 3 reaching the $242 as a common target normally for a wave 3. Now, yeah, I would like to clean up a little bit here. I'm gonna keep this just to show, okay, that this wave 2 has been touched here. That's awesome. All right, so yeah, A, B, C, and then 1, 2, 1, 2. So we are looking, of course, here for a smaller 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5. And by all means, you would like to finish this bigger count here. And with the wave 5, you would like to finish a wave 3 here, and then 4, and then 5. Here we go. So this could be your wave 5. Then, yeah, then you are moving to the yellow scenario here on the 4-hour chart. Because, as we said, we are in the orange scenario as a 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5. Yeah, so your wave 5, by the way, it should be higher. Yeah, we should take the high here with our wave 5, otherwise it will be truncated. So we should, yeah, actually, I think we should add the 2.618 here as a target. Okay, yeah. So minimum target is 2.618, and even we have to take even higher. If we don't, that might mean truncation. As you can see, the 2.618 is a perfect truncation scenario. So yeah, we need to have like very big impulse, guys. So wave 3 should reach the 2.618, and your wave 5 should be higher. Otherwise, that also a weakness, a signal for Solana if we don't get it. Yeah, in that case scenario now, you will finish your wave 5 here, and that means you will finish your wave 3 in the yellow scenario, and then 4, 5. So what we are expecting, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, finishing orange, finishing wave 3 in the white, 4, 5, finishing the orange, bigger orange scenario, 4, 3, 4, and a 5, and then finishing, of course, the wave 3 in yellow, and 4, 5, of course, continuation towards the upside for higher prices. And of course, we still have a 1, 2 here, don't forget, which is not counted yet. So on the 1 hour chart, it's only on the daily, but we're gonna have even one more for 5, of course. So of course, we are expecting over 400 for Solana, definitely, in case of continuation, right? We would like to see a continuation of strength here. Now, of course, this is a good signal, like double impulse, but it is preferably that we move. Yeah, it's preferably that we start to see some move towards the upside. Otherwise, if we stick around here, that is not good. If we take the 886, this is definitely invalidated. And then, yeah, you might take the low even here. And then, yeah, that's not good at all. If we move down like this, if we take this 886, that is a very weak signal for Solana. We might move again for lower prices, and yeah, then be careful, we are very close to a bearish zone. Yeah, once we get to this zone, which is the 183, that means, of course, the price action has reached the zone 1, invalidation of this impulse, and yeah, that is a bearish scenario. So yeah, to recap, very summarized phrase, we need to see, of course, higher prices. If we get a little bit lower, we will invalidate those two impulses. We're going lower, we're getting into danger zone for a bearish scenario. That was it for Solana. Thank you for watching. Thank you for your likes and comments. See you in the next one. Bye bye.